welcome back to my channel. I'm glad having you back in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to make General Tso chicken. General Tso chicken is a spicy and sweet Chinese chicken sauce with a kick from ginger and garlic. This is often sold in Chinese restaurants, and I think homemade is always the best. That's why I'm showing you how to make this at home. We are going to start by coating our chicken. I have 600 grams of boneless chicken thighs cut into small cubes, just like this. In another bowl, I have 2 eggs, which I'm going to season with a little bit of black pepper and a pinch of salt. Whisk the egg with a fork. Once the egg is lightly beaten, transfer the chicken pieces into the egg wash. Transfer the chicken pieces into your cornflour and coat them beautifully. This is half cup of cornflour. And once they are well coated, transfer into another dish and set aside. Repeat the process until you're done with all the chicken pieces. Once you're done coating all the chicken pieces, heat enough oil in a pan, just enough to fry all the chicken pieces you have. Once the oil is heated up, transfer the chicken pieces into it and deep fry. You don't have to fry all the chicken pieces at once. You can fry this in batches so that it doesn't affect the temperature of the oil. After about 8 to 10 minutes of frying your chicken pieces, they should be golden brown as these. They look beautiful. Drain from the oil and set aside. After frying all the chicken pieces, you can set this aside. Now, let's make the sauce for the chicken. In a bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of low-sodium chicken broth. Lastly, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Whisk everything to combine and blend nicely. In another pan, add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Once the oil is heated, go in with a tablespoon of grated ginger and 1.5 teaspoons of finely minced garlic. Saute this for a minute until fragrant. Also go in with some hot chili peppers. I'm using 5. You can reduce the quantity if you don't really like it spicy. Once it's fragrant, go in with the prepared sauce. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes while stirring until it starts to thicken up. If the consistency is too thick, you can add in some water to adjust it and continue cooking. Once the sauce has thickened to the right consistency, you can bring in the fried chicken pieces. Stir these to coat with the sauce. Once it's nicely coated, leave to cook for about 2 minutes until the chicken heats up just a little bit. After that, garnish with a tablespoon of spring onions. And your General Tso chicken is ready. You can now turn off your heat. Our delicious General Tso chicken is ready. You can garnish this with some sesame seeds and more spring onion. This General Tso chicken recipe was so easy to prepare at home. It's better than takeout and it goes well with boiled rice. It's so delicious and it's something you can easily make by yourself at home. I hope you tried this recipe out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. You can share the video and give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to Honey's Food Hill, please do so. Until next time guys, bye for now.